Life, man. We all live it, we all talk it, and yet some people don't get it. Don't need a light on. And I guess you just didn't get that crap, man. You'll never get that crap. Dog park. It's a soccer field. It's a baseball place that used to be. Now it's a pot place. Oh man, you can smell all the shit. It's gonna be a crappy day, man. It's gonna be so shitty. It's on fucking rail. Unbelievable. Why jog in the bike lane that goes that way? I don't fucking get it. I just don't know, people. Getting ready to go out. Last of the bored people. And yeah, we've got another boat that's going out as well. Maybe another half an hour. And you say, why are the boats empty on this side and not the other side? Maybe because they don't like returning the funds. Maybe it's fucking crap. Well, that's how you woke up today, not me. Ask that punk. Oh, what about bad day fishing? Beats any good day out there in the world. Maybe they're more interested in dump diving. It's like I went out and made a rated R video about oil change. Oh, maybe you're just, you know, at home at your man cave. I don't fucking get shit. I'm not supposed to get shit. It is what it is. And if you don't get, then I don't know what to tell you. I'm getting the fuck out of here. So enjoy the rest of my day. Oh, you're like a person that enjoys your day. I think you're the one that's the left-hand rider that goes off to the exit ramp. I don't give a shit no more.